How does Ten Ten Walkie Talkie app work? Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you. How does the Ten Ten Walkie Talkie app work? So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using your Android device, then you have to go to your Play Store and search for Ten Ten app. After that, you have to install your Ten Ten app on your device. So here you have to install your Ten Ten app on your device. After once installation is completed, and you have to open up your Ten Ten app. So here you can see that Ten Ten app has been already installed on my device. Go for open. After that, you have to click on the Let's Go option, and here you have to write your age. Go for continue, and you have to continue with your Google account, TikTok account, or you can use your email. Then you have to enable your mic so your friend can hear you. So you have to go for while using your app. So to allow you in the background, you have to go for change now. So here you have to add at least one friend to use Ten Ten. So to use Ten Ten, you have to go for pin copied and save to your friend. To use your Ten Ten app, you need at least one friend to use your Ten Ten. So that's the process. How does Ten Ten Walkie Talkie app work? That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.